So, magandang araw. Good morning, good afternoon. I'm back and thank you for watching for this part 2 video and this assembling the Mitsui open frame transformer. So, ito yung ginawa ko, no? Talagang uunahin mong tanggalin yung mga eye na nasa outer part ng iron core. So after you remove the straight irons in the outer part, it will decrease the tightness in the center, and you should start to remove one of the larger iron core. So once na maluluwag na yan, madali mo na lang siyang tanggalin. So ingat, and yun nga, matulis itong iron core. So be safe in working this